Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Smvsh Friends, anybody watching this video is to tell you what NFT Scribe is. We have just partnered with NFT Scribe. We, as in the Smvsh Friends NFT project. You can get all the info from the links below that I'll post in the bio. This video is just going to tell you a little bit about NFT Scribe. So we're going to launch the NFT Scribe app. You sign in with Twitter. Okay, so you sign in or make your account, continue with Twitter. It's going to pop up the prompt. Make sure you're logged into your main account that you want to be using it on. And you're going to come up to your dashboard. Scribe's pretty cool because you have these collectibles, your NFTs, they're digital collectibles. All you're going to do is connect your wallet. Okay, so here we're going to connect our ETH wallet. It's going to pick up our wallet right here. And we're going to be able to see our collections that we have. There we go. Okay, so these are going to be all of your NFTs that are in your wallet. What you're going to do, if you're a Smvsh Friends holder, you can actually activate any of these and level them up while you're in Twitter Spaces. But for Smvsh Friends, because we're actually partnered with NFT Scribe, we're going to be having activities for our community, lots of fun things to do. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your collectibles, you're going to find your Smvsh Friends, you're going to click activate. When you click activate on an NFT, it is going to be activated, right? So we're going to go up to our dashboard. And on our dashboard, you can see our activated NFTs. So these are the ones that I like to use. I've actually activated the sword. We're going to get into loot shop weapons here in a second. But my Smvsh Friends NFT, as you can see, is leveled up, right? So it's level 18 currently. And you can level it up with credits, right? You get these metaverse credits from being in Twitter Spaces, from retweeting posts that say hashtag RT for XP. There's plenty of ways to do it. I can go into in-depth guide about NFT Scribe, but that's going to be a different video. This is just going to be how to activate your Smvsh Friend collectible, right? So you can start leveling it up. We're going to start doing games. We're going to be awarding prizes. NFT Scribe actually has games. So if you look at their loot shop, you can get loot like, weapons, enchantments with elemental effects. There's a bunch of stuff, right? So these loot weapons, it's 30,000 collectible weapons, armor, and items which don't just sit idle gathering dust. When used and cared for, they gain experience, level up, and unlock other abilities and attributes. Loot shop items can be used in Scribe-enabled games and retains their history of metaverse activity as it moves across games and owners. They can be transferred, bought, and sold, and will retain all of their abilities and experience. This is made possible through the incredible NFT Scribe platform by Intergalactic Play. So this is pretty cool. Not only can you level up weapons that you can get, you're going to get Play token as well. Play is on Solana. So you're going to be exchanging Play for SRLY, which is Rally Solana. And then you can exchange your Rally Solana for Solana. So you can actually earn crypto by using your Smvsh Friends PFP in Twitter Spaces, which is really cool. So this NFT right here is level 18. Say I do a game, but you have to be level 10 plus to play, and there's going to be prizes. You're going to want to level your NFT up to be level 10, and how to do that is be in Twitter Spaces. These Twitter signals are, like I said, retweeting posts like the hashtag RT for XP. You'll see those. You can go to social posts, and you can actually find different posts that people are doing, the account name, the post that it is, and you can actually click it by clicking view, and it'll pop up a new tab and take you to that post, and you'll see the RT for XP right here. You just like and retweet, and you're going to get some experience. That's really cool. This is NFT Scribe, nftscribe.io. App.nftscribe.io is going to be the app for NFT Scribe. That's how you're going to get to your dashboard. You're going to see all your analytics and metrics here, your metaverse rewards, your play balance. You can buy play if you want, because you can do things like buy metaverse credits. So if we go here to the shop, they have metaverse credits that you can use to level up your NFT, right? So 5,000 credits is 16.5 play, right? And so if you look at your NFT, here, we'll go back to the dashboard. You look at your NFT, you click manage, you can see how much metaverse experience you need to get those credits, right? So it's 12,100 credits to inscribe this experience, right? So I have 14,685 uninscribed experience. And if I were to use 12,100 credits, which I currently have 9,900, I can get that 14,000, level up my NFT, and it'll be over level 18. NFT Scribe is super cool. Make sure you guys give them a follow on Twitter, NFT Scribe. It might be NFT Scribe IO. I'm going to go back on my Twitter, look, and I'll paste the information in the description. As always, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. These are all of the different collections, by the way. So if you see, a collection that you have, like the Dope Dobes, the Evo Bots, the Crypto Cloud Punks, House of Clowns, Funky Flies, any of these projects, right? If you have an NFT, oh, there's us. You have an NFT from one of these projects, you can level up your NFT with NFT Scribe by using it as your profile picture in Twitter Spaces. This has been my TED Talk. Thank you so much for listening. Really appreciate all of you. Go follow Smvsh Friends on Twitter. Check out our NFTs at smvshfriends.com. The U is a V. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.